Hi, my name's Harry,
I'm Alan.
and we are recycling coordinators with Athens Services. Thank you for joining Athens Academy and the Recicla Events series. Athens is the largest recycling and waste collection and processing company in the city of Los Angeles and Los Angeles County. We are proud to service over 30 cities in Southern California, including the city of Los Angeles Recicla areas of West LA, North Central, and Harbor. Today we will learn how to recycle right at your office. We are going to teach you how to set up the most ideal recycling system.
Let's get started.
By the way, if your building doesn't currently offer recycling, visit recicla.com or call 311 to set up recycling services at your location. The first step is to create your collection sites. Identify where you want to place your containers. There should be a recycling container next to every trash container. Often, when a recycling container is far away from the trash, people are less likely to walk additional steps to recycle. By grouping containers together, you can quickly sort your waste at the same time. Where necessary, incorporate organics collection for wasted food. Consider eliminating personal trash containers located at each desk and opt for a central trash and recycle collection site. If keeping personal trash containers, consider a combination of trash and recycling container where the trash container is reduced. Larger recycling and trash containers may be needed in high traffic areas, such like next to a printer and in the kitchen. Make sure your containers are labeled properly by adding signage. Signage should be placed on and above containers. Make sure to laminate the signage and use Velcro to stick it onto the wall. It allows for an easy removal for cleaning purposes. You can download signage that is perfectly formatted for you at Recicla-based website la.athensservices.com/signage.
Step 2. Color code liners and bins. Color coding of internal containers is important for consistency. In the city of LA, the carts and bins are colored as follows: black for landfill, blue for recycling, and green for organics. This color coding should also be replicated internally to help employees, including janitorial staff, to ensure proper separation. For your convenience, Athens also sells 7-gallon recycled containers and 32-gallon organics containers. As suggested previously, group containers together. Take a step further by color coding your liners: translucent blue or clear for recycling, translucent green or clear for organics, and black for trash, also known as landfill-bound material. Clear or translucent liners help staff check for contamination. This further helps janitorial staff sort out the bags into the correct outside dumpster or cart. Liners in recycling and organic bins are optional because both are accepted loose. For organics, clear and translucent green liners are preferred to ensure the contents will be composted at our facility. If the bag is a solid color and not see-through, the contents stand a high chance of not being sorted for composting.
Step 3. Train all staff. The next step is a critical one. All staff must receive recycling training. Ensure all staff is trained. This includes management, employees, tenants, maintenance, custodial, night crews, as they all can ensure the success of your recycling program. If your building custodial team is not associated with your company, confirm how the waste stream and recycling is collected from your office and if they are disposing the material into the correct waste streams. You may find that you need to take your own recycling down to dumpsters each day if your custodial staff is not instructed to do so. Athens offers free bilingual training for all staff, such as English, Spanish, and Korean. We can provide on-site and virtual training, presentations, and even tabling events. We recommend training to be ongoing. At a minimum, conduct training annually as needed, especially when there are program changes. Make sure to include recycling information for new employees as part of the new employee onboarding process. Collect feedback from staff, especially your custodial team. What's working, what needs to be changed, and how things can become better.
Step 4 is to assign an office recycling sustainability person or team. A recycling ambassador or green team can provide support to your recycling program in a variety of different ways. When choosing a recycling ambassador, consider individuals who are passionate about the environment and have a good rapport with their coworkers. Partner with your recycling ambassador to develop recycling program strategies. Identify ideal locations for internal collection sites. Monitor waste collection sites for proper setup, usage, and contamination. Train and retrain staff members on recycling practices. send out resources to the staff on best practices, provide feedback to management about program successes or suggested improvements. Thank you for tuning into Recycle Right at Your Office. I hope you are inspired to improve your office by updating your recycling program and by becoming more conscious about the waste produced at work. Stay up to date on all things Athens. Follow us at Athens Services on all social media platforms. As always, if you have any questions or want to suggest any future topics, please make a comment or send us a message.
For more on the Recicla program, visit recicla.com or call 311 for any service needs, or visit la.athensservices.com for resources and outreach material. If you are serviced by Athens in another city, go to athensservices.com and click on the tabs Residential or Business and select Choose My City for more info or to reach out to us. Thank you and see you next time.